So welcome to today's video. If anyone's watching, I am doing the doong trek. It is a 6-day tour, 4 days trekking through the world's largest cave. So I'm going to do a little packing vlog to show you what I am bringing with me. So this is the bag that the porters take, so that's the clothes for the entire trek. This can't be any more than 7 kg, and that's what they will bring. And then my own backpack that I will bring with me every day. So they provide a helmet. This bag needs to be big enough to put the helmet inside the bag. We're not allowed to attach the helmet to the outside. So let's see what I have. In one packing cube, I have 2 long sleeve shirts. And then I am wearing a short sleeve shirt tomorrow, but I've got arm sleeves to put underneath. Need to have long sleeves in case of the poison ivy and the leeches. It's just extra protection. Once we're inside the cave, it's good for banging against the rocks, so it avoids getting the cuts or the bruises. So I will sleep in one of these short sleeve t-shirts for the whole tour, and then wear that short sleeve at the very end. I have a pair of trekking trousers that I'm going to wear tomorrow, and then I've got an extra 2 trekking pants for the rest of the trip. I have 1 pair of shorts for sleeping in and 1 pair of shorts to go over my swimsuit that I am bringing. There will be a chance to swim at the campsites, like a little bath, so I'll bring that, but just for modesty's sake I am bringing an extra pair of shorts for that. So that's all that's in here. Then I have socks and underwear for every single day of the tour. I want to feel nice and clean. There is no showers at the campsites. We are in a cave, so I will simply be relying on those swimming locations and of course wet wipes. So I'm bringing those. Toiletry bag itself is going to be very simple again because there's no bathrooms. I have my toothbrush, my toothpaste, deodorant, lip balm and moisturiser, mosquito repellent, and most importantly my sun cream, factor 50, because I burn a little bit too much. Then has some feminine hygiene products just in case, not expecting anything, but again just in case you are in a cave. I then have a towel that I am going to bring and my hairbrush. I have my Crocs for the campsites at night. Our feet will be wet for the whole duration of this tour, so it's going to be nice to get those shoes and socks off, get the feet nice and dry, and change into these. So these are going to be really important for me. Now onto technology. I'm simply bringing my GoPro, my phone, of course the chargers for that, and my GoPro holder. I'm going to put these into this dry bag inside my day pack. I'm going to carry that in my day pack. I'm going to bring this extra one for my dirty laundry, just to keep them separate from my clean dry clothes. I'm also bringing a headlamp for the campsites at night, just to find our way about. They provide you with the head torch for the everyday trekking part. This is important for just our relaxing time at the campsite. I'm going to bring my Bible for my reading in the campsite at night, and sunglasses and a sun hat. I'm going to skip on this sun hat because I never really wear them, but I am going to bring a bandana just to keep my scalp from getting burnt. And my sunglasses and my regular glasses are inside the cave. They provide you with a water bottle, so that water bottle is going to stay with me in this bag. So I'm going to go and pack everything into the separate bags just to let you see. Okay, so I'm going to pack my smaller bag, the one that I will be carrying right now. So this is my outfit for tomorrow. I've got my t-shirt, sports bra, underwear, socks and headband. I've got my trekking trousers for tomorrow, which are lightweight and hopefully will dry quick. tomorrow, but we'll see how that goes. So that's the outfit for tomorrow. Because it's a sleeveless top, I do have these sleeves for underneath, but I'm going to keep those in my bag until I actually really need them. So they're going to go in my bag. And I've got my water bottle here. Any feminine hygiene products, just on the off chance, they're going to go in this bag. In my toiletry bag for tomorrow, I'm just going to bring deodorant, mosquito spray, lip balm and face sunscreen. Just the stuff that is quick and easy to grab. I don't want to send that the whole way to the campsite, just in case I need it. Most importantly, the sun cream. So that's going to go in there. Also going to bring my technology. I've got my 2 spare GoPro batteries, my power bank, obviously the leads for it, my attachments for my GoPro. I have no idea what I'm going to need in the cave or if I can use any of it. I'm just going to bring it just in case. Then I've got a light attachment for my GoPro itself. So that's going to go in my smaller bag, and I'm going to put those in this dry bag, I think, for the first day. Once I need this for my dirty clothes, I will change to my big bag tomorrow. My helmet is going to go in as well. Just put that in. So I've got my helmet in there too. I also have my glasses. My glasses are going to go in my small bag as well, so I'll put those in too. So onto my big bag that the porters are going to take. I'll set it up there. I'm going to put my torch that I need in there. I'm going to put my hairbrush in this bag as well because I won't need it during the trek, hopefully. I'm going to put my shoes in here for the campsite. My towel is going to go in here as well. My Bible is going to go in as well, but I will leave that until tomorrow morning. I've just got my underwear and my socks in here, so that's going to go in. And I am just hoping that all of this is under 7 kg. So I've got one t-shirt like this. Everything is lightweight and breathable, like all sports material, which is good because I'm a runner, so it means I have those already. Short sleeve top for sleeping in. And then the last day I will put the sleeves. So there's another one. Another long sleeve. Another pair of long trekking trousers. And the third pair. So that's the 3 long trousers, 2 that are getting packed, and 1 that I'm wearing. 2 long sleeve tops that I am packing, a short sleeve top that I am packing, and my underwear. The only other extra there is my swimsuit that's packed in to the red bag as well. So that is the red bag done. These are my toiletries I'm going to pack in my red bag because I won't need them during the day. That's my toothbrush, toothpaste, and my wipes for my replacement shower. So that's all the red bag here for the porters. So there we have it. There's the final layout. Day pack to carry myself with my helmet in it. Red bag for the porters, my outfit tomorrow, and then my 2 pieces of luggage that I will be leaving here. So yeah, that is everything. Hopefully someone watches this and is inspired to do the same trip. If anyone is, please let me know. I'm so excited to see what happens next. So tune in for the rest of the videos of the cave itself. Bye.